Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best pellet grills under $500. Watch until the end to know which is our best recommendation from the list. Let's start with Traeger Tailgater 20 Pellet Grill Smoker. This Traeger pellet grill is versatile enough to accommodate all your barbecuing, roasting, smoking, braising, grilling, and baking needs and preferences. It has a spacious cooking space, and it comes with non-stick porcelain-coated grilling grates that make the cleaning process effortless after each barbecue. Its highly advanced digital elite controller keeps the temperature variation on this grill within a 20-degree limit and allows you to seamlessly set the temperature on low or turn it up as high as you want to. This feature effectively guarantees precision grilling. Along with these features, we can't forget to highlight the robust and rust-resistant design of this Traeger grill, which significantly contributes to its prolonged shelf life. Lastly, you can always fold its stainless steel legs and take it with you for a tailgating party, picnic, or camping. Camp Chef SmokePro DLX Pellet Grill. This unique system has been designed to cook slowly, and it is the right choice for anyone that loves smoky flavors. It offers a large grilling area with a spacious cooking space and a sufficient upper warming rack to meet all your grilling needs. Also, it has a side shelf that allows you to effortlessly prep food. Along with that, it features an electronic auto-start ignition for quick and easy starts every now and then. Considering the fact that ashes are sometimes blown all over the bottom and need regular vacuuming, it has been fitted with a smart ash cleanout system to help you out. Additionally, its dual LED temperature readout shows you the food temperatures as well as the internal cooking temperatures, while its simple temperature selection system maintains the heat. Green Mountain Daivy Crockett Portable Pellet Grill. The Green Mountain Daivy Crockett Portable Pellet Grill has been designed to provide the perfect burn for optimal wood-fired taste. One of its most notable features is its portable design that includes foldable legs that can be turned into carrying handles. This significantly makes it convenient to carry around. Besides that, it is equipped with the SenseMat technology that allows you to accurately read off the internal temperature off the grill. The 12-volt adapters allow you to connect this pellet grill using a small generator or a car battery when you want to power up the grill. Along with this, you would be impressed by its Wi-Fi temperature control that allows you to adjust cooking times and control the temperature and smoke settings using the Green Mountain phone app. Pit Boss Mahogany 440 Deluxe Wood Pellet Grill. Among the deluxe features of this grill include a solid bottom shelf, a two-tone black and copper finish, a bottle opener, a combination side shelf and serving tray. Along with this, it features a heavy-duty 16-gauge steel construction that effectively contributes to its sturdiness and durability. When it comes to its versatility, it allows you to grill, smoke, barbecue, bake, roast, grill, or broil your meat products. Aside from that, it offers a large cooking space, which comes with a warming rack and a spacious primary cooking area to meet all your grilling needs. Its LED display allows you to keep track of the internal temperature of your grill for a great cooking experience. Additionally, it comes with a heavy-duty PVC and polyester backing to protect your grill from common outdoor elements. ZGrills ZPG 702E 2020 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. This Z-Grill eliminates the need for a rotisserie and creates a versatile environment for smoking, baking, grilling, roasting, and braising. Whether you want to slow smoke a rib roast, grill some hot dogs or burgers, you're assured of an optimal cooking process. This incredibly sturdy grill has a stainless steel body for durability and porcelain-enameled cooking grates to prevent corrosion. Its hopper is designed to feed pellets to the fire via an automatic auger, as a conversion fan evenly disperses the heat inside the airtight chamber of the grill. Its digital control features allow you to set high or low temperatures, depending on your needs, and its smart LED screen allows you to effortlessly read off the internal temperature. Which is the best one? The Green Mountain Daivy Crockett Portable Pellet Grill is the best grill under $500 because it offers effective temperature control options and has a variety of features that contribute to a great grilling experience. Additionally, its convenience is completely unmatched, and it gives you just the right flavor of wood-smoked food. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.